Celebrate workforce difference, not just the male-female one. I'm Jordi, Robert Reeves, founder of Connecting Perspectives. We enable effective collaboration within companies. The question we asked in the blog was, what other diversity do we need in addition to male-female? Thank you very much for your replies. Mainly they were via email. There's an underlying theme that we need diversity in terms of knowledge and skills. However, we still need more females in the workforce. They're still not achieved this gender balance. This has been said by Steffi, by Sarah, by Judith, but very interesting what Natalia wrote. She works in a very diverse environment, culturally diverse, age diverse. And she says, in order to achieve efficient and effective collaboration, we need a strong company culture. Very true. Diversity of perspectives with an underlying strong company culture that glues it all together. I was 2 weeks ago lecturing at an executive education program, and one of the participants mentioned that they always do interviews by two people, one male and one female. It will be very interesting to see how companies in the future choose the interviewers not by the gender, but by the skills, one from finance and one from marketing, for instance. Hold on, there's one company that already does it. Its name, Google. Let's hope that there's more mainstream companies doing similar recruitment process as Google to achieve diversity. Let me finish by quoting Google on their How We Hire page. We don't just accept difference, we celebrate difference. Keep connecting new perspectives.